Let me have your eyes. Oh, I'm going to wait till I have everybody's eyes. Kellen, I need your eyes. What you're going to do is we're going to work in small groups. And we're going to have a group working with Miss McLean, with Miss McLean's daughter, Haley, that you guys have met before. Alyssa's mom, Miss Helena, is going to be here helping us. And there's going to be a group with me and a group with Miss Taylor. Okay? And what we're going to do is each of us has either a phone or an iPad that we're going to use. And we are going to go find these QR codes in our school. And we're going to scan them, Katie, and it's going to tell us a clue about shapes. It could tell you about how many sides the shape has, or tell you something about what it looks like. And all of the shapes that there are clues about, we've talked about in class. Some of them, pretty easy to think of. Some of them are going to make you stretch your brain a little bit. Okay? Remember that some shapes are not flat. We have some shapes that are 3D that we've talked about. And so you're going to have clues. But the good news is, since you're in a group, you're going to be able to synergize and all figure out your clue. And let me show you what you have. All right, each group is going to have a lotus, and each clue has a number on it. Kellen, I need you to sit up. And each clue has a number on it, so whenever you scan the code, figure out the clue with your team, and you can either draw or write the shape. So if it was number 1, you'd find the number 1 box. And you'd either draw or write that shape. And then, on the same paper as your QR code, underneath is a picture. What do you think that picture is of? Alyssa, what do you think? It's not a picture of this. What do you think, Michelle?
A question mark.
No, it's not a question mark. Katie? It's another clue, but it's not a clue about a shape. It's a clue about where you can go to find your next code. So, listen to me carefully. All of the clues are somewhere in our school, and they're all outside of a room, so you shouldn't have to go in and disturb anybody in a classroom. You should find it somewhere around where that picture is. Now, some of them are not right there. Some of them you're going to have to really use your eyes to find. Now, the next thing I need to tell you is that you're going to be in the hallway, and you're going to be walking around, and there's a lot of people having class right now. So should you be running through the halls going, I've got a clue, I've got a clue? You need to remember that other people are learning, so you need to remember to use your indoor voice and work quietly. And if there's another group somewhere nearby you, you don't want to give away your answer, do you? No. And so, after your group is finished, you'll come back here, and we're going to check our answers and see if you figured out all of our shape clues. Deanna, would you go let Miss McLean back up this? Or Miss Helena back. All right. Oh, friends, I need you to turn back around this way.